Hi, today I will tell you how to use Midjourney or how to generate image using Midjourney. So, for using Midjourney or any other AI tool, you must have Discord account. So first install Discord in your system or in your mobile. After that, log in into your Discord account. Then go to midjourney.com, select join the beta, select accept, continue to Discord. Once Discord is open, you have many servers in your list. Then select Midjourney bot server, and there we have many options like trial support, member support, status, micro polls. But we will use newcomers rooms, newcomer rooms 1, newcomers room 2, or select any of the rooms. Like I select newbies 41. There I will click on the plus sign, select use apps, type imagine prompt and describe the image in text form. Like I want to generate a red velvet donut. Red velvet donut. Now enter. It will take time to generate image as there are other users who are also using the same GPU for generating the image. The more you described in the text, the more realistic output it will show. Once it's 100%, you can see your final output. This is my final output of the donut. Like I select this donut very much, so I will select upscale 4. U1 means upscale of the image 1, U2 means the upscale of the image 2, U3 means upscale of the image 3, and V1, V2, V3, 4, V4 means the variations of these images. Now you can see the upscale of this image. If I select the V2, then it will generate 4 images of this version. See? So simple. The more you described in this text, the more realistic or the more amazing result it will show. It will generate. See, it shows the 4 images of that same version. So if you have any questions or what kind of image you want to generate, please comment me. Thank you. Please